everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, I hope it's a good one. I am so excited because I got a vlog camera and now I can finally start vlogging my days and you guys can come along with me, although, you know, it may be a little boring at times, but I like to film, so I hope you enjoy. Anyway, let me apologize in advance. I'm looking at the screen rather than the lens, but I'm trying to figure out how to use this camera, so bear with me. I'll get better at it over time, I hope. No promises. Anyway, I don't know if it's going to be Christmas when I upload this, but probably not, knowing me, because I got to work today. But I'm so excited because I get to take you guys along with my date, so you'll get to see how I get to spend Christmas. Last night, of course, was Christmas Eve, and that is when we actually celebrate Christmas, open our gifts and everything, and we had a really, really good one. That's when I got my camera, so I'm so grateful. Anyway, I'm going to take you along with my day, and just, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Why are you taking so long? Come on. Merry Christmas, am I right? Good morning. I want to apologize in advance about the bags under my eyes. You know, because that's some serious mess, so I'm going to be covering that up as I'm talking. It is currently 3:37 a.m. and I'm a little mad about it. So you're probably wondering, Hannah, why the heck are you up at 3:37 a.m. doing your makeup? You know? I'd normally be asking myself the same question. We had to get up early because, I gotta stretch my face a little bit. We wanted to get up early because we want to be the first people at Walmart for those after Christmas deals because, you know, we about that life. But I don't need to be up right now getting ready because we're only a couple minutes away from Walmart and it ain't gonna take me that long to get ready. And it doesn't open until 6. So, back to it. Why am I up? Getting ready. Well, we recently had our weenie dog, Tiger, pass away, and we are very, very sad about it. And we have another dog. She is a Rottweiler, and she's very old, so she can't get up and down our stairs. So I've been sleeping downstairs on the couch. That way she has someone to sleep down there with her since Tiger's not around. And she likes to have someone near her when she sleeps. So I've been sleeping down there. She's fine. She doesn't bug me in the middle of the night, anything. She just likes to snuggle, and it's great because she's a big dog, and she's a great snuggler, and I just love her. But my cat last night decides to keep me up the entire night. Now, Bug, I love you. But at 12 o'clock into, like, what time did I actually end up getting up? Like 12:50 something I ended up getting up because I was a little frustrated. He was wanting some attention, which is fine. You know, I love taking my cat some attention. But he's patting my face, and he's licking me, and he's kneading me, and it's a little bit painful because he's walking across the chesticle, and that hurts. And, oh my gosh, I just put on way too much. I did not realize all that was out. I was trying to spread that. Because I ain't about that cake face. Well, sometimes maybe a bit right now. I'm not trying to flip off the camera, sorry y'all. But anyway, he wants to keep me up because he wants attention. So I finally got so awake that I just got my butt up because there was no sense in laying there, get more frustrated. Because I literally was just getting more and more frustrated by the minute because I could not sleep. So I just got my butt up. So, I don't know what kind of mood I'm going to be in today. Right now, I'm okay because no one's up talking to me. That sounds so mean. But I need to sleep. But no one's up talking to me, so I don't have to deal with people yet. I need to sleep. tears in my eyes. Wow. This is what happens to me when I'm tired. Either I get very delirious or very grumpy. Right now I'm delirious. But anyway, I'm fine right now. But later I'm probably going to be exhausted. Because I'm already super tired. I just know that later it's really going to hit me hard. So we shall see how much I actually vlog. If I vlog at all. So yeah, we shall see if you go along the rest of the day with me or not. Anyway, sorry about all this talking, but I guess it's a little chit chat. Get ready with me, so. But you're not gonna see the rest of it because I'm ending it now. Okay, bye. I'll see you in a little bit, maybe, if I decide to film. Oh man, I gotta do something about this break. We're going to Winterfest, Winterfest, Winterfest. We're going to Winterfest to see the lights of Carowinds. Yeah. Okay, now you sing something. Come on.
I don't want to.
Carowinds! You can't sing better than that. No, no, you can't. I don't believe you unless you do it. Carowinds! Carowinds! Can you sing better than that? I don't believe you because I don't hear it. That hand sanitizer sure does smell good. I kind of want to eat your hands. Can I eat them?
No.
Why not? What about, can I lick it?
No.
But it smells so good.
I think I'm going to put some on you.
Okay, you want to put some on me?
And you to lick yours.
Thank you. That's good.
I taste it.
I know it does smell like it would taste really good, doesn't it?
Let's taste it. Can you taste